Here we are once again, live here in Las Vegas, Nevada with my man Chef Matt. Today we're gonna be going over another healthy recipe out of my healthy recipe cookbook. So today we're gonna be doing a blueberry cheesecake bowl. Matt, tell them how we're about to put this together.
So we're gonna start with cottage cheese. We're gonna start with a full cup of cottage cheese.
Non-fat cottage cheese, loaded with protein, by the way.
A full scoop of protein.
This is a snickerdoodle flavored plant-based protein. So you guys can use any protein that you like. A lot of people like to use vanilla or chocolate. A little almond milk.
And you can build from it. And then we're just gonna add some blueberries for some extra sweetness. And these are frozen, so it's gonna kind of help give it a different consistency of like an iced smoothie. Then we'll blend it. So we're good to go.
All right, let's see how this came out. I'm excited. This is, again, this is actually a snickerdoodle blueberry cheesecake bowl. That's it. You've done it once again, my brother.
Oh man, I appreciate it.
Wow, this guy right here. All right, guys, that's it for today. Let's go, let's grow, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.